this is attractive.
Thank you for massaging my belly.
If you know, you know. You guys, look how cheap gas is here. That's so depressing. It's like $2.50 where I live.
Darker than the ocean, deeper than the sea. You got everything, you got what I need. Touch me, you're electric, babe. Move me, take me from this place. Moving to the tempo, show me what it takes. Speeding up my heartbeat, laying in the face. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Love me, take me to outer space. Kiss me.
Lost my cat inside my closet. Hi. Get out. Hey. No. I just got back from the gym. I just finished taking a shower. I gotta go to Walmart to pick up some litter and some more cat food for my cat. I really do have a big head.
I agree.
It's all in my
Big head.
I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing. Thinking of you in my bed. You were my everything, thoughts of a wedding ring. Better off dead. I tell you, yesterday me and Kelsey pulled up to the mall and this guy pulls up and literally, look, you're not looking. He pulls up and he parks and he goes like this.
And he looked at you?
And he like chugged his drink. You know what it was?
What?
A huge ass bottle of fucking wine. I turned around and I thumbs up him. He's like,
What a weirdo.
I was like, yeah, me too. Same. I do that. You're taking the wrong. Right.
I'm not taking it right. I'm just getting in the lane. Oh fuck, this is right only. Fuck!
You can go
Nah, I
to the
can
back.
go to the back.
I need to find a better angle.
You wanna drive?
That better. No. Not better. They decorated these poles right in front of Walmart. My ghetto ass Walmart. So windy. Don't you hold it.
I'm not gonna hold you. You should have just left it.
You have rice.
Yeah, I know, but different rice.
This nigga has mad rice at home and comes to Market Basket to buy more rice. Actually, this one's better.
I think two of them would last me about a week.
Oh. Why don't you get this then? Yeah, get this one. If you're looking for a whole week, all that hard work picking out chicken for him, and he's going to get the strips instead. Would you guys rather buy the pre-cut strips or would you buy like the bigger chicken that comes with more chicken and it's cheaper? Or give me that. Would you get these, which comes with less chicken just because it's more already cut? Lazy people probs. 3 of these come up for like $9. He could have gotten 2 of the big ones for the price of 1, but that's just me because I'm cheap. If you know, you know.
Marinade, bro.
Cat food. Gotta get some cat food. For my little nugget. I just spent the last 20 minutes driving around my entire neighborhood because my cat got out. Actually, no, he didn't get out. My freaking mom let him out this morning. And I woke up and I was trying to find him. I couldn't find him. So I watched over like the cameras that we had. And I see her just like opening the porch door just to like let him wander in the backyard. But I think he just jumped the fence and got over to the street behind my street. And I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I'm hoping he comes back, which I think that he might, because he usually, like, that's how I found him in the first place. He kept coming back to my house. But I'm stressing out. That's really attractive. I don't know where this came from. It's so inflamed. It's been there like a few days already, and I just won't go away. Wow, I realized this entire, like, vlog I've been wearing red. Promise it's not the same shirt. Not really much to do today. I gotta fill out some paperwork. Gotta go apply for a loan for school. I'm so late on that because, oh God, it's so awkward. It's just like right there. Anyway, I gotta apply for a loan. I start school in January and I haven't applied for any loans, and I need to because I can't pull 20 grand out of my ass for the semester. So gotta do that. Gotta fill out some paperwork for my dad. And yeah, I guess we have things to do today. I actually did so much today. I renewed my health insurance. I made an appointment to get my cat neutered. What else did I do? I think that's it. I guess I didn't really do that much, but it was a lot for me. Quick outfit of the day. It's just really comfortable, you know, hides all the fat. It's actually so nice out today. It's 47 degrees. It's not that cold. It's really nice, really nice. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I really just need to get out of the house. I'm gonna get some reading done. And I'm gonna do some practice questions because I told myself this entire summer that I would get ahead of the game and start reading pharmacology before like the semester actually started, so that I won't have a super rough semester. And I've literally sat outside Starbucks for the last like half an hour and I can't muster the energy to get up right now. So instead I ordered a pizza from Not Your Average Joe's, and we're just gonna sit here and wait until that's ready because I don't want to get out. This looks so good. I haven't had Not Your Average Joe's pizza in so long. I realize how depressing this looks. Just a whole box of pizza. My face looks so swollen today. I guess I'm just fat and I have a big head, but we're gonna go into Starbucks.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush. Guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? Let me know. I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you, I want you, I want you.
hands because I am going to my friend's mom's salon. Their new salon just opened up, a new one. I'm gonna have my friend do my nails, and I'm bringing her some Starbucks. Look at these decorations, so cute. Oh god. Ugh. God, my car literally smells like pizza. I don't know where I'm supposed to leave this one. I'm just gonna leave it right there, I guess. I hope it stays. I don't know. I'm just gonna hold it between my laps. It's so cold. You guys have no idea how excited I am to get these ratchet ass nails done and my eyebrows too. I just agreed to work tomorrow during the day, and I work tomorrow night. And I also agreed to work Saturday, and Sunday is 7 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon, and then I work Sunday night as well. And then I work 8 o'clock on Monday, 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's gonna be so fun. This is my mom's friend's new nail salon. If you guys live around the area, you know Royal Nails in Haverhill. They just opened up a new salon. This is them in North Andover. Say hi. Where are you going?
I was gonna go change your bags. I didn't know how long you were.
Oh no, I'm here.
Yeah.
Say hi to my vlog.
Oh, hi.
Pajamas tonight, huh?
I don't think people in Miami had kids as a whole.
They look so good. Thank you. I actually really like the color a lot too. Happy. My second cup of coffee today. My laptop died while I was at Starbucks, but this is what we are looking at right now. It's not set in stone yet because I'm still trying to figure out if I want to move this from Saturday and work Monday 5 to 9 instead. These 3 different colors are for 3 different jobs. This one is set in stone because I already texted my manager. It's option 1, and this is option 2. And I don't know how I'm feeling about having clinicals at 7 in the morning till 3, just to have basically like an hour for myself before I have to like get ready and to go into work. So
She said, what if I tell you all the things I've done? Would you run away from me? I told her, baby, we all got bags full of shit that we don't want, but I can't unpack it for you, baby. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? Let me know. I told her, thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you, I want you, I want you. 'Cause I want you, I want you.
oh, I really do wear red like a lot. Well, this is actually the same shirt I wore yesterday, but whatever. I just got home from work. I just took the best 5-minute shower of my like entire life. I'm gonna make Matt take me to Olive Garden. Look at my little kitty. Wanna come say hi? Wanna come say hi? What are you doing there? Come here. Haha. I only wore this shirt for a couple of hours yesterday, and I'm only wearing this shirt for a couple hours tonight, so It's okay. Cat knows he's not supposed to be in my room if I'm not in here, and I accidentally left the door open. And he thinks he's so smart. He's hiding under my bed thinking that I don't know that he's there, but I can literally hear his little paws just, I see you. Well, my bed is dirty. Come here. Little demon eyes. Come here. Hello? I gotta go. You can't be in here. Guys, this is literally my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Say hi. Are you sad? You got lost, I know. I'm sorry. What else did you eat there? They gave you some tuna? How much tuna did they give you? Was it so good? How many parrot friends did you have? Wow, there was 4. You crying? We're home. Oh, psh, you okay? Sorry. Come back. Where are you? Come here. Where'd you go? Hi. We're home. Look where you are. Yeah, we're home. Yeah, you're on your street. You're so dirty. Look at where you are. I'm gonna go home, okay? Who's that? That's your tree. You wanna go in your bed? I look like a 12-year-old right now, but that's okay. So I didn't film anything for Wednesday because that's the first night that my cat got out. He did come back, which was fine. And Saturday night, he got out and he was lost. The guy who found him, he was very nice and we got him back. And that's all that matters. So that's why the clips from today was literally him talking to me about his little adventure in the car. Be in my vlog, say hi. Stop giving me so much food. All is act. He said I looked homeless. I hate you. I thought you didn't want to be in my vlog. Look at that fade. I did that. We're trying to book it to Marshall's because they close in literally 20 minutes. I'm hungry. Doesn't care. And if you're as bad as me, you would do Christmas shopping 20 minutes before store closes. And